Greetings, Green Thumb Gardening family. And as the sun begins to set back here in our backyard food forest, just a quick peek at the Crimson Sweet and Sugar Baby watermelons that we're currently growing back here in our backyard food forest. This particular section of our garden section we named the Cliff because it's right here on this hill, YouTube. And if you look above, you'll notice that these Crimson Sweet watermelons are growing in a shaded location here in our backyard food forest. But nevertheless, YouTube, they are quite productive here in our backyard food forest. I'm gonna take you guys a little further down to our backyard food forest to an area that we named the Flat back in our backyard food forest, where we're also growing Crimson Sweet and Sugar Baby watermelons, and give you guys a peek at a few of the watermelons that are growing on these vines back here as well. Yeah, see that? We have a tiny, tiny Crimson Sweet going on right there. We have a nice one growing on down in there. Another hiding down there in that grass, Green Thumb Gardening family. Got a Sugar Baby down in there hiding. Got another over there. I think we got another one down here in these leaves down here somewhere that I can't locate at this time. Oh, down in there. Take you guys around a little further to the other side, see if we have anything growing on this other side of these watermelon vines that we're currently growing down here at the Flat in our backyard food forest. We have a few more Crimson Sweet. Got one growing on down in there. Sugar Baby going on down in there. If you guys can see that guy hiding down there in that grass. Another here down in there hiding. This is the back side of these plants. You guys can see we have several Sugar Babies hiding down here in this grass in our backyard food forest. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this video on both the Crimson Sweet and Sugar Baby watermelons that we're currently growing in our backyard food forest in multiple locations, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing Crimson Sweet and Sugar Baby watermelons in our backyard food forest. Thanks for watching.